How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can find slime chunks in Minecraft. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through your world. In my case, I'm going to be finding in this specific world right here. And then let's just click on the recreate button in order to get our seed right here. So what you want to do is to copy your seed. You want to copy this one by one to this specific website right here called chunkbase.com. You can just search this up on Google and it will instantly show up. Right after putting up your seed and entering your version, it will then show all of the slime chunks right here. So let's go ahead and click on this specific slime chunk. And as you can see on the bottom part of your screen, you can see the coordinates. The X is going to be 72. The Z is going to be 41. And basically after going to the specific coordinates, basically we'll be able to now look at the slime chunks on the chunkbase.com website. And so you could use tools like the F3 in order to show up your coordinates. It's going to be this specific area right here. We have the X, Y, and Z. And so you just want to follow the coordinates given on the website and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.